Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Calendly for booking pages and notification routing. Complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Calendly for booking pages and notification routing, start by once logged in, navigate to the event types section found on the sidebar. Select the type of event you wish to configure or create a new one by clicking on plus new event type. Enter the details for your event, such as the event name, location, and duration. Next, customize your availability by clicking on the When Can People Book This Event section. Set the days and hours when you are available for meetings, and consider adding buffer times between appointments. After setting the availability, proceed to configure notifications by clicking on the Notifications tab. Choose how you want to receive notifications for events that are booked, cancelled, or rescheduled. You can opt for email notifications, SMS notifications, or both. If you want to integrate with other tools, navigate to the Integration section. Select the apps you want to connect with, such as Google Calendar or Zoom. Complete the integration process by following the prompts provided by each app. Once your integrations are set, head back to the main event configuration page. Review your settings and ensure everything reflects your preferences. If everything looks good, click on Save and Close to finalize your event settings. To share your booking page, copy the link provided and send it to your intended audience. You can also embed the booking page directly on your website using the provided code snippet. Lastly, test your booking page by going through the process as a user to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Your Calendly is now configured for booking pages and notification routing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.